I'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, elders past, present and future. We acknowledge them for the land that they have been custodians upon for thousands and thousands of years.
Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. All trains to Goodna, platform number 5. Please stand behind the yellow line.
Since the Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Hapai volcanic eruptions that rocked the Pacific, where the plume expanded into an umbrella cloud composing of ashfall material that covered our beloved Kingdom of Tonga. While we waited weeks for news in the darkness, waves of prayers were offered. And finally, a beacon of hope dawned upon us. Meanwhile, scientists tried to figure out their reasons. The Tongans only knew one explanation. God and Tonga are my inheritance.
Pili, Tuku'aho, Pili hoko, Almaha masu, Princesi, Angelika Lātūfuipeka, Alagal Mataaho, Watu Pasmaka Mohoit, Masila Kalmaha Mataku.
I'd like to pay homage to our freshly minted Tongan talking chief, none other than Lave Iloa Ola, as the highest ranking Tongan chief outside of Tonga, on behalf of His Majesty by the Princess Angelika. Such an amazing achievement, and I pay homage to you, Suli.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honour for us, myself, Howard Taylor and Brisbane Excelsior to be here. And what a wonderful setting. What a wonderful setting. I was sent a picture this afternoon and I think it's just terrific. And for a great cause as well. Do you know, back in 2000 and nearly 10 years ago, my love affair with Tonga began. It's the highlight, and I'm not just saying this, it's the highlight of my year going over and spending some time in Tonga.
$100 at the house tonight, $200 anywhere, $200 tonight, $200 over here, $250, $250, thank you very much, sir. What about $300? $300, thank you very much.
I don't know if that was a cat or if it was a cow. I don't even know. Let's go this side. Somebody. Oh my goodness, sis, please don't ever do that again. Please, that was terrible. is now the head of immigration. And the one thing he said to me before he left me in Samoa was, because he had a Tongan accent back then. And he said, "Baby, don't worry. I'm going to Brisbane to get you your citizenship."